Hi, I'm Sean with Mike Douglas Plumbing. We're a full service plumbing company. We service from Punta Gorda up to the Sarasota area. We do repipes, relines, we do backflow work. We have all the new technology to do all these new jobs. When it comes to relining of old cast iron pipes, we work anything from small residential jobs up to large commercial jobs. When it comes to that as well, we will cover the entire state of Florida and then some depending on what it is. When it comes to our service jobs, like I said, Punta Gorda to Sarasota, no job too small, too big. We'll do residential, we'll do commercial. If you have any problems, give us a call. We're your number one plumber for your number two business.